The release of the latest iOS 26 public beta marks a significant stride toward the highly anticipated final version of the iPhone software. On Monday, Apple unveiled the fourth iteration of the iOS 26 public beta, following closely after last week's third public beta release. Alongside this, updates for iPadOS 26 and macOS 26 have also been made available, painting a clearer picture of the sweeping improvements Apple is rolling out across its ecosystem. But here's where it gets interesting. The fourth public beta of iOS 26 doesn't just bring minor tweaks. It incorporates numerous bug fixes and mirrors the enhancements seen in the seventh developer beta of iOS 26, which was also released earlier on Monday. This alignment suggests Apple is tightening up performance and refining user experience as it races toward a stable build. Traditionally, Apple schedules its major software launches, spanning iOS, watchOS, macOS, and iPadOS, for September. These public beta versions serve as valuable playgrounds for early adopters and tech enthusiasts eager to explore new features well before the official release. It's also a crucial period where Apple listens to user feedback, making adjustments to ensure the final product is polished and reliable. This September launch window is especially exciting this year, as it's expected to coincide with the debut of the rumored iPhone 17, potentially offering a glimpse at how the new hardware and software integrate seamlessly. If you're curious and want to experience the new iOS 26 features firsthand, downloading the public beta is straightforward, but with a word of caution. It's best not to install it on your primary iPhone device. Beta software can still be unstable, so backing up your data beforehand is essential to avoid any potential loss. To help you make the most informed decision, there are several insightful articles exploring different angles of iOS 26. From honest advice about whether to wait or jump in, to deep dives into the most exciting new features coming to your iPhone, and even comparisons between iOS 26 and Android 16. These resources offer a comprehensive understanding of what to expect. Also worth checking out are discussions about new ringtones, hidden features that Apple didn't announce at WWDC, and details on how watchOS 26 will elevate your Apple Watch experience. And this is the part most people miss. While Apple promotes the headline features, many subtle yet impactful changes are tucked away, waiting to be discovered by those who dive deeper into the beta. These hidden gems often shape the day-to-day experience in meaningful ways. So, what do you think? Is the public beta a smart move for curious users eager to test the waters? Or is it better to wait for the official launch to avoid potential headaches? And with Apple pushing these updates simultaneously across its devices, do you believe the integration will be as smooth as promised, or is there room for skepticism? Share your thoughts and experiences below. Let's get the conversation started.